Welcome to Module 5, Lesson 7. Today we're going to be working on some word problems, everybody's favorite, little puzzlers. This first problem is just some straightforward volume stuff. Jeffrey wants to grow tomatoes in 4 large planters. He wants each planter to have a volume of 320 cubic feet, but wants them all to be different. 4 different ways Jeffrey can make these planters, and they want you to draw a drawing of the planters, and so we'll do that with all of them. In each case, the key is we need to get 320 cubic feet of volume, and so we're really looking for factors of 320. Well, that 0 at the end really stands out to me, so I know that I could do something that is 10 with a base of 32. How can I get 32? Well, lots of ways. I could do 8 times 4. I could also do 10, and I could do 2 by 16, gives me 32. I could also choose a dimension of 5, and that would leave me 64. 5 times 64 is 320, and I know that 8 times 8 is 64. Or I could do 5, and I can get 64 a different way. I could get 64 by doing maybe 4 times 16. And so that's it. There's 4 different dimensions. Drawing it is just a matter of getting the picture. So 10 by 8 by 4. That's all we need to do. 10 feet, 8 feet, 4 feet. And I could do that with all 3 other ones pretty simply, as long as it looks close. Okay, Jeffrey's at the gardening thing again here, and he wants to replace his shed. His current shed is 6 by 5 by 8. So there it is, 6 by 5 by 8 high. To get my volume, I just need to multiply them. And 6 times 5 is 30. 3 times 8 is 24, so that's 240 feet cubed. Looking at what he wanted, it's not enough. It's half. Now the next problem says he wants to keep the height the same, but he wants a new dimension so that he can get his 240 cubic feet. Now since I know that I'm about half, that means I need, in a sense, I need 2 of these. Now if I have 2 of these, I can either make it twice as deep this way, that's 2 put together, so that would be 8 by 6 by 10. Or I could put 2 side by side, and I'd get 8 by 5 by 12. I can't double the 6 and the 5. That's going to quadruple my volume, which would not be good. So, my dimensions for what I want, I could do 8 by, I'll say 12, I'll do them side by 5, by my 5 deep that I originally had. Those are my dimensions, and then I would get something like this. Where this is still 5, this is double, 12, and this is 8. Now, they want to know the area of my new floor. The area of my new floor is 12 by 5, or 60 feet squared. And that's how you solve that problem.